Have you ever been in a meeting and heard words such as bottleneck, workflow, escalation, and you understand a little, but you're not 100% confident in using them yourself and participating in the meeting? Well, today we're going to fix that. I'm going to teach you 50 operational words that you can use in daily communication, in the meetings, and in all settings that relate to work and operations. Alrighty, let's dive right in. Let's get started. So, welcome everyone. Now, in this lesson, we're going to learn operations English words. We're going to learn 50 operations English words that professionals use in real workplaces. Now, these words are useful for meetings, for emails, reports, planning, and teamwork. And if English is your second language, this lesson will help you sound more confident and more professional at work. So here's what you're going to learn. And this is what the lesson contains for you. The 50 useful words that you can use, and these words have simple meanings and practical example sentences, but you're going to have 50 useful words, operations, and workplace vocabulary that matters. Simple definitions, clear and easy to remember explanations, real sentences, example sentences you can actually use at work. All in all, you're going to have better professional English. You're going to be able to communicate with confidence in any work situation. Let's start with the first group, process and workflow. These first five words are basic process words. And a process is a series of actions and a series of actions to complete work. For example, we need a better process for handling customer requests. Workflow. This is how tasks move from one step to the next. For example, the workflow is too slow because approvals take too long. Procedure. This is the official way to do something. Follow the standard procedure for submitting invoices. Task is one piece of work, and a step is one action inside a process. My main task today is updating the operation support. The step, remember, one action in a process. The first step is to review the client's order. Our next group of words, process and workflow. Timeline shows when work should happen. We need a realistic timeline for this project. Deadline. The final date, something must be completed. The deadline is Friday at noon. Priority. Something more important than other tasks. Customer complaints are our top priority. Ownership. Responsibility for a task or outcome. Who has ownership of this project? Schedule. A plan showing when tasks will happen. We are behind schedule on this week's deliverables. Our next group of words, performance and productivity. Efficiency. Doing work well without wasting time. The new system improved efficiency across the department. Productivity. Amount of work completed in a time period. Remote tools help them improve team productivity. Output. The amount of work or production completed. Daily output increased after the software upgrade. Performance. How well a person, a team, or a system works. We are reviewing team performance this quarter. Target. A result or number you want to reach. We achieved our monthly target ahead of schedule. Our next group of words, performance and productivity. Goal. A result you want to achieve. Our goal is to reduce delays by 20%. Metric. A measurement used to track performance. Response time is a key metric. KPI. Key performance indicator, an important business measure. Delivery speed is one of our main KPIs. Benchmark. A standard used for comparison. We use last quarter's results as a benchmark. Utilization. How effectively resources or time are being used. Improve staff utilization during peak hours. Our next group of words, problem solving and issues. Issue. A problem that needs attention. There is an issue with the inventory system. Risk. The chance something may go wrong. Late supplier delivery creates a serious risk. Delay. Something happening later than planned. There was a delay in shipment due to weather. Blocker. Something that stops progress. We cannot move forward. There is a system blocker. Bottleneck. A point where work slows down. The approval stage is creating a bottleneck. Our next group of words, problem solving and issues. Escalation. Sending a problem to a higher level. This complaint needs immediate escalation. Gap. A missing part or area needing improvement. There is a communication gap between teams. Error. A mistake. A data entry error caused the wrong shipment. Breakdown. A failure in communication or process. There was a breakdown during the handoff. Shortage. Not having enough of something. We face a shortage of packaging materials. Our next group, planning and resources. Capacity. Work as a team or system can handle. We lack capacity to take on more orders. Resource. person, tool, budget, or material used for work. We need more resources to finish on time. Allocation. Distribution of people, time, or money. Resource allocation is critical for this project. Forecast. A prediction based on current data. The sales forecast helps us plan inventory. Demand. The amount customers want or need. Demand increased after the product launch. Our next group, planning and resources. Supply. Amount available to meet demand. Our supply is limited this month. Backlog. Work not yet completed. The team is working to reduce the backlog. Inventory. Goods or materials available. Check inventory before placing another order. Coverage. Enough staff available when needed. We need better weekend coverage. Availability. Whether someone or something is free. Confirm your availability for next week's training. Our next group, coordination and execution. Handoff. Transfer of work between people or teams. The handoff from sales to operations needs improvement. Coordination. Organizing people or tasks to work together. Good coordination is essential during busy periods. Approval. Official permission to move forward. We are waiting for management approval. Follow-up. Additional action after something starts. I will send a follow-up email after the meeting. Alignment. Agreement or shared direction between teams. We need alignment before launching the process. And our last group, coordination and execution. Execution. Carrying out a plan. The strategy is strong, but execution must improve. Tracking. Monitoring progress or movement. Tracking helps us identify delays early. Turnaround time. Time needed to complete a request. Our turnaround time for approval is too long. Fulfillment. Completing and delivering an order. The fulfillment team is working overtime. Continuous improvement. Ongoing efforts to make work better. Continuous improvement is part of a strong ops culture. Let's look at quick practice. Right? There's a lot here to do, a lot to remember, but we can do it easily and remember it as well. Pick 5 words. Choose 5 new words from today's lesson. So pick 5. Write sentences. Write one sentence for each word in your own context. Use them at work. Use at least 2 words in a real email or meeting this week. Say them out loud. Practice speaking each word to build confidence. Well, there you have it. You have 50 operations English words. You have a plan to start using them, to memorize them, to be confident. So if you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe, share, comment. It helps us help you. And we will see you next time as we continue our linguistic adventure together.